Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buddy Developers. If your website needs to reach a global audience, language shouldn't be a barrier. So today, we're diving into the top 3 multilingual plugins for WordPress. Let's dive in. Number 1, Weglot, one of the fastest and easiest ways to make your website multilingual. It automatically detects and translates your content into 100+ languages. No manual setup needed. It's SEO friendly, integrates with any theme or plugin, and works great for e-commerce too. The best part? You can manage all your translations from a single dashboard, but its simplicity and accuracy make it a top choice for global websites. Number 2 is Polylang, a fantastic free alternative to WPML. It allows you to translate posts, pages, menus, and media, all without slowing down your site. You can set different languages for each post and even integrate with Rank Math or Yoast SEO. It's simple, fast, and perfect for bloggers or small business websites. Number 3 is Translate Press, a visual translator that makes life easy. You can translate directly from the front end of your website using a live preview. No more hunting through dashboards. It supports both manual and automatic translation using Google Translate or DeepL. If you love simplicity and visual control, this one's for you. So these are the top 3 multilingual plugins. We also provide WordPress development support. So if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.